Welcome! Today we're going to learn how to enlarge or reduce a copy document on your Brother machine. This video will cover multiple models and operating systems. Even though your machine may not match the model on the screen, the overall process will be the same. Open the document cover and place the document face down on the scanner glass. On the control panel, press the Copy button. Using the keypad, select the number of copies to be made. Press the down arrow repeatedly until the Enlarge/Reduce option is displayed on the screen. Then press OK. Arrow down until the Fit to Page option is displayed. Then press OK. Now press the Color Start button. For black and white copies, select the Black Start button. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.